All right, guys, so you just purchased your Robomaster S1, and right now it's a hot item. It means it's hard to find. I mean, they made up the market already. Like, for instance, they made bumpers already for it. They already made like a chassis. They even made like stickers already for it. But you can't even buy a battery yet with that Robomaster. And also, you can even buy the bag yet. I actually checked it out one time. I don't know if it's Amazon or eBay. They're actually selling the backpack, and they were selling it for $50. So I said to myself, but I think it can only fit your Robomaster. But now, guys, you can actually use your old, if you still, I'm sorry, not saying old, but if you still have your Phantom backpack, or you still have a Phantom 3 or a Phantom 4, it's definitely gonna fit. You might have a little bit inch off, but it's going to fit. The reason why I'm saying that, because I got this bag, it's not for really cheap. You don't have to spend so much money, and right now, guys, you don't have to spend a lot of money on buying a Phantom backpack, because to be honest with you, you can actually use this backpack or a Phantom backpack to fit your Robomaster. Enough for me talking, but the reason why I'm showing you guys this, because this is what I got, and this here is not only gonna fit your Robomaster, it's gonna fit your battery, it's gonna fit other drones. If you have a Mavic Pro 2, if you have a Spark, if you have a Mavic Air, if you have a DJI product, you can also put on here Osmo, maybe GoPro or anything else. It's big enough that you can put all that. And I want to go ahead and show it to you, okay? First of all, up here, you guys can see, I have my Tello. And guys, if you do have the Tello, you don't need the cage anymore. I'm sorry, the bag. Because the reason why you don't need the bag anymore, because you already have this cage. And the cage is gonna help you protect it to go, okay? And you can put that in there, or you can just put a biker and hang it in your backpack. Love this thing. I'm gonna put this guy here. And of course you wanna get, if you're gonna have a power bank, this one right here is to go. You can just put your Tello battery in there and it'll charge all that. And you got a full battery and it'll charge all your Tello battery. And of course, I have my Mavic Pro 2 here. And I like this bag because it's to go. You can just have this. And anyway, guys, if you do get the gimbal, I really recommend you to get this one. It's much easier to come off, easier to mess around with. But this bag right here, you can get this on Amazon. I'll give you guys the link. It's about like what, maybe $18 or $17 now. And you can put your battery, your Mavic Pro 2 battery in the back of it, and then you can just walk around with it like this. Oops, I'm sorry, I finally got turned it on. And you can actually turn around. I'm sorry, you can just walk around with it like this. Okay, easy to carry. You can also put the Mavic Air. You can also put extra battery. It's big enough. Because the Phantoms are huge drones, and you can actually pack up a bunch of stuff in here. And that's just the Mavic over my other kind of drone that I have. And over here, I'll show you how I store my Robomaster S1. All right, guys. And I also have my, this is right here is my lander for my Tello. You can put this in the back of Robomaster. And I'll keep it with me, take it around small. And this is how I packed it. You see this right here, this foam? When you buy the Robomaster, you get this foam. It's the cover from the box. Keep it. And you can use this, and you can just cut it in half, and you can use that for your gimbal. See that? So you're never gonna damage your gimbal around. So you have it store in there, and it's not gonna damage or anything, okay? That's what I did. I actually add 2 of them. I just pretty much just spin around. I mean, it's so secure that it's not gonna go anywhere. And of course, I still have my gun. I still have my, I call this my Robomaster gun. All right, I'm gonna put that over here. And now I'm gonna go ahead and take out the Robomaster. And here you go. See how easy that is? And I also have this piece. You wanna do is, in the bag, you can put that in the back like this to protect it. That's what I did, put it in the back. And then now it's easy to come off. Look, you can just take off your the foam off, and you get to go. And you get your they call this. You get to now you got. I'm sorry. Now you got your how you call this to go. You can just go ahead, have this, and you're set, man. And that's what I did. See that? All you gotta do is you get this cover, you fold it, you cut it in half, and then you just shove it in there where the gimbal is. And then, well, by doing that, you're gonna have a pressure. So what you wanna do is you wanna put it behind it. See that? And that gimbal is not gonna move. You see that? It's not gonna move at all. And then you can just put this piece behind it, or if you don't really need to. And you can just go ahead and shove that in there. And you're good to go. And to be honest with you, this one right here comes with a liner too. I even put the liner on there. This is for the Phantom, so you can keep that liner to give it more protection. Guys, you can use this bag, like I have it like this, and you can just go ahead and take off your Robomaster. Like I said, the good thing about it is you can do a lot of things with it. Like for instance, you can actually put the gun also in the bottom, or I can put it on the side, so it's still out the way. And you still gonna, if you buy the Phantom, if you do get the Phantom bag, sometimes you get this on the side. And that's how you do it. But see, you wanna use something like this for your gimbal. The reason why is that is the fact that it's gonna create it from shaking and anything else. And you can actually put more stuff in here. I mean, you got more room to put your Robomaster. Not only that, you can actually have your drone on top of it here. You know, you still got your drone. You can still put your drone here. You still got your whatever you need to pull out. So it's a good thing. Again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.